Hello, my name's Gigi Peach. How are you today? I hope you're having a good day. For this video, I'll be reviewing this sweet dream miniature by Rolife. When I saw this set, I couldn't resist and had to buy it. I won't be showing everything I'm building in this video, as I don't want to spoil fun for others. First things first, I'll need to cut out the image pieces.
One eternity later.
I start by putting the shelf together. Now painting the shelf. I need to paint several layers to make the color solid. Gluing the nightstand together. Painting and layering the white on the wall panels. Doing the same thing for the nightstand. Gluing the knobs onto the shelf and nightstand. Gluing the wall images onto the wall panels. Working on the window ledge. Attaching it to the window. Gluing the pictures onto the wall panel. Putting the blankets and accessories onto the bed. putting the base together. Now for the fun part of the project. Assembling all the parts together. Yay! It's finished! It came out so cute! My experience rating for this set is 3 out of 5 stars. The reason for this rating is because I got confused with one of the instructions. I was stomped for about 5 minutes until I figured it out. After that, everything else was easy. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a like and subscribe. It will help me out so much. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.